little shell.
Nice.
Good job, Riley. Peel it. Peel it. Good peeling. Here, why don't you help Becky? Why don't you help me peel this one? Can you take that off? Good peeling. She really likes playing with eggshells, I feel like.
Yeah, because last time that we had eggs, she enjoyed playing with the shell too.
Should we peel this one? Ball? Does it look like a ball? Is it rolling? Roll, roll, roll.
I have forks and knives too over there too.
Let me just see what she does with her fingers.
Yeah.
Look at that egg. Can you smell the egg? First. Smell. Look, we're going to smell it. Smell your egg. Riley, smell. You smell it. Use your nose. Smell, smell. Okay, well, we already done the touching. Riley, check your schedule. Look, time to kiss egg. Look, picture says kiss. Mwah. Time to kiss, Riley. Can you kiss your egg? Kiss. Riley, look. Time to kiss. Mwah. Good touching, Riley. Kiss. Riley, kiss. Here. Beautiful.
Good job.
Kissing. Riley, check your schedule. She's like, oh, like that. Oh, time to lick, Riley. Look, lick. Riley, lick. Riley, lick. Where's your tongue? You lick. Riley, lick. Uh-oh.
That's okay.
I get it. Riley, lick. Watch Becky. My turn. Becky, lick. Riley, look at Becky. Hey, Riley. You're really into the yolk, huh? Does that feel cool? Riley. Riley. Miss Riley, I'm up here. Watch me. Riley's turn. Did you drop some? Oh, it's okay. Good licking. Time to taste. Taste. Time to taste. Yummy. Time to taste it. Riley, taste. Taste. Riley's turn. Good tasting, Riley. Wow, very good. What a good eater you are. Is it yummy? Is it time to bite? Good. Time to bite. My turn. Yum, yum.
Wow.
Good eating, Riley. You're eating the yellow part of the egg. Can you eat the white part? What about the white part? This part. Try that part.
No.
Look, Becky do. My turn. Break. Bite. Good job. Your turn. Where's your white part?
Yeah, that's definitely interesting. Cause,
Right.
but I guess it's like more
Well,
buttered.
it's crumbled too,
Yeah.
so maybe it's
Yeah.
the texture.
And, like
She-
melts
it's like-
in your mouth a little bit, I think.
It's like feels safer to her. Here, Raleigh, have this part. It's more yellow. Do you want this yellow part? It's a big piece. Big piece. Look. Big piece. Nice eating, Raleigh. How about the white part? Try this part. Bite. Bite your white part. It's a big part. You bite it. Oh, poke. You poked it. Here, Raleigh, bite. Poke. Whoa. 2 pieces. Raleigh's turn. Are you sticking with the yolk?
No.
No white. No white. Raleigh, look. Time to bite. Yeah, see? The boy is biting. He says, yum, 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 yum. Yummy egg. Yummy egg. Here, try.
No. Her.
Boy. It's the boy in the picture. He's biting the food. He says, yummy, yummy, yummy. Poke.
Little
Egg. Egg.
egg.
Good talking. Egg. Yummy. Egg. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Boy.
Boy, yeah. Boy's eating. Here. Can we have one more bite?
Ada.
One more, then all done. One more. Raleigh, pick. One more bite, then all done. What are you going to eat?
No.
This piece? That piece. That's a yummy yellow piece. Becky, do? Here. Me too. Where's Raleigh's bite? Show me your bite. Okay, Raleigh, take your bite. One more bite, then all done. You go. Raleigh too. You too. Can you take a big girl bite? That was a baby bite. Here, big girl bite. Here. Big girl bite for Raleigh. Good job, Raleigh. Nice eating. You're eating like a big girl. Okay. Are we all done with the egg?
Egg.
Say, all done, egg.
Ada.
Egg. Egg. Bye, egg. Say bye-bye, egg. Those are the shells. You like these shells, huh? Clean up, Raleigh.